resting on the myth of old. All of the stories have been told. Secret places hidden well are gone now as far as I can tell.
So lately I've been practicing my forearm stands. I've done a few without a wall and it's a lot harder to hold than a headstand because you don't have your head to stabilize you. I've fallen over multiple times. So we don't actually have a wall anywhere in our house. So I had to move all the furniture out here and use the side of the house. But practicing this against a wall has really helped build up my arm strength to be able to hold myself up. So what I've been doing is just kicking myself up against this wall and like holding it as long as I can. Because it sucks falling over into a bridge when your head is just hanging there. I just went for a walk down the road. It's getting hot here, so I'm trying to go earlier in the morning. For lunch today, I am just going to make some sushi because we don't have a lot of food in the house. And we're going to Vegas in 2 days. So we don't really want to buy any food. Not that we're going to be gone that long, like we're going to be in Vegas for 2 days, so I don't know, I just don't want to buy food. Sushi is my go-to meal. Definitely, I got black rice from nuts.com, and the sushi that we always get at Whole Foods has black rice, and I saw it on nuts.com, bought it because I really wanted to try it, and it's delicious. This variety is short grain sticky rice, so it works really well for sushi. I know a lot of people have problems with sushi. That's typically because you are not using short grain rice. If you're using a long grain rice, it's not gonna stick. I always use short grain. It makes it so much easier. We also don't have any avocados right now, so I'm just putting cucumber in here, which cucumber sushi is definitely one of my favorites. I just really like it because it's crunchy, and I put a ton of sushi ginger on it because I'm obsessed with sushi ginger. The best lunch ever.
Dinner tonight, I'm having sweet potatoes with chili, and Derek is having normal potatoes with chili. Excited? 10 out of 10?
that.